Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. We recently installed an advanced Hikvision IP HD CCTV system at a large property in Bardsey, north of Leeds. Our experienced engineers took their time to hide all the cables neatly behind the gutters and soffits so it's not visible from the outside. Eight wide-angle cameras were installed to cover the main vulnerabilities of the property. We fitted a 16-channel network video recorder to give the customer the flexibility of adding additional cameras in the future. The CCTV will send the owners notifications to the mobile phones when a person is detected. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. This is a great feature as the CCTV system is keeping you up to date with all the relevant activity happening around your property. With the advanced systems that we install, it allows you to have multiple detection points per camera. This is footage from a customer's back garden. It shows the CCTV has identified me as a human and I'm triggering all the tripwires and intrusion zones set. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.